Okay guys, now I'm at FOA and alam ko hindi Pinoy food to pero healthy food to. So I'm getting sa FOA, I'm getting yung beef stew, one of their best sellers. Napakasarap ng pagkain dito guys. So lalo if you're going for healthy food, this is definitely a go-to place. Makita natin, medyo dami nyo. So this is just a small hindi pa ito yung large. Yung large is really large. So, actually, pwede na pang dalawang tao to eh. Pero para sa isang malakas kumain tulad ko, then, ayun. Okay? Okay na to. Sakto. Tusod na ako dito. So, see you guys after 1 hour. Oops, teka lang. Kalimutan ko ang aking tawag dito, glucose meter. Yan, tingnan natin ang ating glucose. Sinanap ko pa siya. No? Alright, so 96. So good. Good tayo ngayon. So see you guys after 1 hour. Alright, it's been an hour and I just finished off that Vietnamese beef stew soup. Okay, the actual name is Pho Bo Ho. So, yun. Okay. Ano yan, isa yun sa mga na bestseller nila. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano ang nalabasan. Okay, so it's 161. Medyo may konting taas siya, pero not that bad. Alright? So, thank you guys. See you next time.